We're going to go ahead and install our backup camera. It's located right here on the left side of our tailgate handle. With the tailgate opened up, we're going to go ahead and remove the Torx bit screws. There are 8 of these here to go ahead and remove this panel. We're going to use our T30 Torx bit. Go ahead and lift up your panel. I'm just going to set that in the bed of the truck. We're going to go ahead and disconnect our latch rods here. We're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, gently pinch the clip and the rod, swing that off to the side, lift up the rod, pivot that in, do the same on the other side. Pinch, twist, lift, and pull. We're going to disconnect our electrical connector from our power actuator. Going to press in on this little tab. Pinch and pull. Down here, we have the connector for our backup camera. I'm going to use a pick to go around the front side of the connector for the backup camera. And just pry in, there's a little tab right here. I'm going to put a little bit of pressure, and this will pop off. It's a 6-pin connector. We also want to pay attention to this is the tab right here that we're getting in behind, lifting up a little bit to release that. I'm going to remove 2 8mm nuts, one right here, and this one right beside it. With those nuts removed, we can go ahead and work our tailgate handle out. I'm going to lower our tailgate again. Using a T20 Torx bit, we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 screws holding our backup camera in place. Remove the protective cover off of your camera. Set this into place. Go ahead and get that screw started a few threads. Go ahead and get both screws started. And we're just going to snug these by hand. You don't need any big tools or anything for this. Once those bottom out, you're all set. We're going to feed our tailgate handle up through the front side. Now that we have our tailgate handle in from the other side, let's go ahead and set up our mechanism here. Get this unit set up and into place. I want to go ahead and reinstall our nuts here to hold the mechanism to the back side of the handle. Get that nut started. Not going to tighten it, just want that to hold its place. Do the same for the other side. I can go ahead and snug this into position. Once it bottoms out, probably about a quarter of a turn. Do the same on this one here. Quarter turn. Install our backup camera connector here. Line that up. Push that on, you'll see that little tab lock into place. While you're there, let's go ahead and install our tailgate lock actuator. You hear that click right into place. Install our lock actuator rods. Push that in, spin this around, click, and boom. Let's go ahead and repeat for the other side. Click, and boom. Before we put our cover on, now's the perfect time if you want to go ahead and close the tailgate and go ahead and test out your backup camera. Install your cover. Let's go ahead and get our screws started. Once we have all our screws in, let's go ahead and snug them all down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.